Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's me Desmond, and yeah, it's been a while since I last posted. So today's video I'm going to talk about what has happened behind the scenes and then current plans going forward. So as to why I haven't uploaded in a while. A lot of stuff happened over the last 9 months since I last posted. Schoolwork, there were other stuff happening behind the scenes, so it means I didn't have much time to create content. So going through a bit of an identity crisis of some sort, but and I can say that I will successfully start posting more content now, so you should look forward to that. Now, for plans going forward for the channel, so I am going to be doing a bit of exploration. So over the past couple of months, I have gotten very interested in startups, SaaS, software products. And so I decided to try my hand and seeing what's out there. I have some ideas. So over the months, the channel is probably going to be more focused on building a public, showcasing what I'm doing, what I'm up to, and all that. So that's one part of it. The other part is also just to build fun stuff. The reason why I got into software was basically because you could build anything you want without anyone telling you what to do and what not to do. You have the freedom to do whatever you want. That's how powerful software is. And so I'm going to go more harder into that. So hopefully you guys will enjoy what will be coming out in the next couple of weeks. So for what I've been up to right now, I started building a learning tool. It was designed to sort of fix some problems I have with learning or whatnot. So the idea is how prepping for exams and for class quizzes and all of those educational stuff, right? So for me, I'm more of a practice guy. I learn faster by solving stuff, by knowing what is right, what's wrong, what I do wrong, what I do right, what's the most effective or efficient way to do this. So I'm more practical in the way I sort of do my things. And so I was like, let me just create something that sort of fixes that for me. And so I've been working on an app or a project called Quizhub. Now the difference between Quizhub and most of your standard exam prep tools is that I'm integrating something else entirely that I haven't seen. From what I've seen that other prep tools don't have, is I want it more than just as prep tool for exams. I want it to be the learning tool that students can use to get better results in their exams. Make the learning more streamlined, because learning is hard, bro. Learning for exams is even harder. So why not just make it incremental? Try and solidify that knowledge very early on, and then over time it compounds, right? So for Quizhub has two distinct features. One is the standard exam prep tool, and the other is the test feature or the quiz feature. So the idea for that one is when you upload your material, it's PDF or PowerPoint. Right now, I'm only thinking of supporting 2 formats for the MVP version, but other formats will come later on. Voice notes and whatnot. Those are all in the pipeline. But for the MVP version, it's just PDFs and PowerPoint slides. So when you feed it and you select that mode, it will generate the topics for you based on the content it has, and then you select the topics. You can select more than one, you can also select one. So depending on the type of topics you select, you choose the format you want, and then it will generate the questions based on the topics you selected. Yeah. Initially, when I worked on this, the prototype version is there. I ran into major problems, but I think at this point I've sorted them out. I sort of know the architectural decision on what to do. So over the next couple of weeks, once it's fully ready to be shipped, you'll see a full demo of it, and then you can see how it works in action. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Like I said, this is the working version that we are building based off the prototype I did a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, so hopefully this shouldn't take too much time to build and should be completed real soon. So yeah, so let me know what you think about it. Is it something you will use? Is it something you recommend your friends to use? I know there are a lot of standard exam prep tools out there, but you will never know. I mean, this is the tool that could probably do it for you. Who knows? So yeah, right now it looks very bland, but I can assure you that it will get much better than this very soon. So yeah, hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed the contents, and yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. All right, cheers.